Good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Welcome all of you to this live session on General Aptitude for CSIR, GATE and other competitive exams. Please mention in the chat whether the audio and video is clear to all of you. Let me just check whether the audio video is clear. Okay, the audio and video is clear. So please make sure that your friends are also invited to the session. Copy this link and share it with them. So this session is all about discussing 20 questions from CSIR and GATE previous year question papers. The questions are actually, one second. Okay, there was an audio disturbance. Let's continue. So we will be discussing 20 questions which came in previous question papers of CSIR exam and GATE exam, and which are similar, so that you will get an idea which all topics and which all type of questions you can prepare similar or which you can prepare together for your upcoming exam. So let us start. For the new people, this is the bio of me. This is the book I have written for CSIR NET Part A section, which is currently the bestseller book, available in Amazon and Flipkart. More details you can see here. And this is the new course I have launched for upcoming NET exam, complete course on General Aptitude for CSIR NET 2022. As you know, January 29, 2022, CSIR have announced an exam for that on that date. 29th January is the upcoming NET exam. So for that course, this course will be targeting that exam, and the upcoming exam and the exam on June also, this course will be beneficial. So this course you can be part of if you want to learn General Aptitude in detail, and this is the complete detail of the course. Complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions, shortcut methods, tips and tricks, everything needed for your upcoming exam will be included in this course. And this course is for life science, mathematical science, chemical science, physical science and earth science students. And for GATE General Aptitude, there is another complete course on GATE General Aptitude. The live classes are over, but the recordings are available for that also. By a single subscription of Unacademy Plus with the referral code CC10, you can access all these courses by a single subscription itself. These are the pricing of the subscription, and once you apply the referral code CC10, the pricing will be discounted by 10%. So this pricing will be reduced. If you use CC10 or CC10 Live, both the referral code are applicable. You'll be getting discount on your subscription, and this is how you can take an Academy Plus subscription with maximum discount. So, and these are some of the other courses available. So this is CSIR NET Part A questions blueprint, the chapters from which question comes, how many questions come, all these are mentioned here. And this is GATE General Aptitude topics. So the common topics of GATE and CSIR, those topics we are discussing questions from. So let us start with this question. All of you make a try and post your answer in the chat. So Vic, single course subscription is not there, but the subscription pricing for 3 months is not that high. So with the 3-month subscription, if you want, you can attend only this course also, but a separate subscription is not available. Whether you want or not, you will be getting the entire subscription of all the courses, subject and aptitude. Separate aptitude subscription option is not there currently. So it's a clock problem. Make a try. Any answers? Okay, some of you got the answer. So I'll explain. So if it is 3:15 in your watch, what is the meaning of 3:15? 3:15 means 15 minutes after 3, because quarter of an hour, 1 hour is 60 minutes, quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. So 3:15 is the time. At 3:15, angle between hour hand and minute hand. So there is a formula, angle between hour hand and minute hand is half into modulus of 60h minus 11m, where h is the hour hand value, m is the minute hand value. So here hour hand value is 3 and minute hand value is 15, because 3:15 is the time. So let us substitute that and try here. So half into modulus of 60 into 3 minus 11 into 15. So that is half into 180 minus 165. So half into 15. So 15 by 2, 7.5 will be the answer. 7.5 degree. Option B is the correct answer. Is that clear to all of you? Why 7.5 degree? This is the formula. Angle between hour hand and minute hand means, yeah, some of you think, why can't it be 0 degree? At 3 o'clock or 3:15, how will the clock look like? Hour hand will be at 3. Sorry, minute hand will be at 3, I agree, 15. But hour hand will be little more forward, because hour hand have gone forward by the time minute hand travel this much. There is a logical way to do this question also, that we will discuss on another class, or after the next question, if time allows, I will discuss that. Try this question. So previous question was GATE 2020 question. Same question was asked in CSIR exam with a different time. Instead of 3:15, it is 7:35. So can you all try this? All of you, please try. Again, I'm letting you know, if your friends want to attend the session, copy this link and share it with them. You can share it in your WhatsApp, Telegram groups also. Let more people join this session. Yesterday or last 2 YouTube live were at 9 p.m. So I think many people are not aware that today's session is at 11 a.m. So please share it with them so that more people can join it live itself. The recordings will be available for later, but attending live will be helpful for being more interactive in the class, and the class to be more interactive, it will be helpful. So same idea, theta is equal to half into modulus of 60h minus 11m. Here h is 7 and m is 35. Substituting it, you will get half into modulus of 420 minus 11 into 35 is 385. Multiplication with 11. I have taught a shortcut trick in the Vedic math class. So this is 35. 35 modulus is 35 itself. Modulus simply means negative or positive, you have to take the negative value, positive value out of it. That is 35 by 2, 17.5. Last 2 weeks back, I have given a free lecture on clock and calendar where I have elaborated this topic in detail. Check out that. It is available in this channel itself. So hope that is clear. So clock problem, 2 similar questions we tried. Now we will try 2 similar problems in geometry. Make a try, all of you. One minute for trying. All of you try it. So some of you got the answers and it is right. So very simple question. So question is asking if the radius of the circle is A. If the radius is A, diameter will be 2A now. And if you observe carefully, this diameter is nothing but the diagonal of this rectangle itself. The diagonal of the rectangle is 2A means the other diagonal also will be 2A, because for a rectangle both the diagonals are equal. And if you know the diagonal, you can find the area of the rectangle by half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, that is half into 2A into 2A. 2 cancels, you will get 2A square as the area of the rectangle. If you get the area of the rectangle, you can find area of shaded portion, because area of shaded portion will be nothing but area of the circle minus area of this rectangle. Area of the circle will be what? Pi radius square. Radius is A, so pi A square. So area of the rectangle we have just found 2A square. So pi A square minus 2A square will be the answer. Option C, pi A square minus 2A square will be the answer. Is this clear to all of you? Those of you got option C, you are right. Please respond whether this is clear or not. That is clear. This was a GATE 2020 problem. I will show you a CSIR similar question where you have to find the shaded area itself. Make it try, all of you. I'll get some water and come complete trying doing this, do this question and post your answer in the chat. Any answers? So unlike previous question, here you need to do one more thing. Ratio of shaded area to area triangle is asked. In the previous question, area of shaded area only was asked. Here shaded area divided by area of triangle you need to find. And what will be shaded area? Obviously in this picture there's a semicircle, so area of semicircle minus area of triangle, because from the semicircle if you delete this triangle or if you subtract the area of this triangle, you will get the shaded region. That divided by area of triangle you need to find. So when you observe this scenario properly, you can see that you need the semicircle area and this triangle area. Denominator is also triangle area itself. So area of the semicircle will be what? Here there is no mention about what is the radius. So you can take the radius, let R be the radius. Then this is also R now, because this is perpendicular line. This will be radius itself. So that radius is the height of the triangle. That is important. And this radius, then this diameter will be 2 times radius. That will be base of the triangle. So area of semicircle will be half pi radius square. Area of triangle will be half base into height. Base is the diameter of the circle, that is 2r. Height will be r. So cancelling it, you will get r square. Now substitute here. Pi r square by 2 minus area of triangle r square divided by r square. R square in the numerator can be taken common. Pi by 2 minus 1. R square in the denominator gets cancelled with numerator r square. So pi by 2 minus 1 remains. Another way to simplify this or to fasten the solution is, instead of r, you can take let radius be 1, and that way also you can do. Taking example method also works, as the question is asking a comparison or a ratio. Is this clear to all of you? That is clear. We will go for a data interpretation question. Try this November 2020 data interpretation problem asked in CSIR. Triangle base is not R front to study. Triangle base will be 2R. R is just the radius. Diameter will be the radius is R. So diameter will be 2R. Area of triangle. Deepa, area of triangle is half base into height. What is the base here? Base is this length, which is the diameter of the circle, that is 2R. What is the height? Height is this perpendicular line, which will be radius of the circle, semicircle itself. So half base 2R into height R. Cancelling it out, you get R square. So try this, all of you. Two R is the base, Deepa. R is the height. Hypotenuse we are not taking, Deepa. We are not considering it as the right triangle. We are considering it as a normal triangle, where we can see the perpendicular length from one vertex to opposite side is given, which is called height or altitude. So half base into altitude or half base into height you can apply therefore. With hypotenuse also you can do, but that will take more time. That is why we are not considering that. Actually, for a triangle there are 3 different heights and 3 different bases. We are taking conveniently the base and height we need. So Taranum got option A. Anyone? Any answers this question? So here you can observe the picture. This is a bar graph based question, but if you observe picture and options carefully, you don't have to calculate anything. Observation is enough. I will show you. Rice production in 6 states A, B, C, D, E, F in 2 consecutive years is shown in the diagram. Previous year, drought year. Among the states that saw a fall in production in the drought year. Among the states that saw a fall, so only those states which had a fall only you have to consider. A state had a fall. B state had a rise. So you don't have to consider that at all. This is fall, this is fall, this is fall, this is fall. So B should not be considered. Among the states that saw a fall only should be considered. B is not such a state. So you don't have to consider any option which is having B in it. So option B is eliminated anyway, because only states which saw a fall we need to consider. Now what you can say, you have to check maximum and minimum fall in that states. So maximum fall definitely you can say is D, because this fall is the highest. And minimum fall, when you observe, as B is not a fall, the only fall which is minimum will be this. All other heights are more than that, na? So definitely minimum fall will be F, maximum fall will be D. So D and F respectively will be the answer. Is that clear to all of you? Please respond. If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Just a minute. If so, try this bar graph based question came in GATE. Previous question came in CSIR 2020. This question came in GATE 2020. Front to study, yes, my classes are daily, normally at 11 a.m. itself, some days at 9 p.m. So there are different ways to follow my classes. You can download the mobile application of Unacademy and follow my page in Unacademy. That is the easiest way to get updated whenever I take a free class. So in the Unacademy special class platform, I take more free classes that can be accessed through the mobile app of Unacademy or website of Unacademy. So check it out also. And otherwise, you can be part of my Telegram channel. You can search my name in Telegram and find it. And there also I update whenever I go for a free live class. In any platform, when I go for a free live class, I update there. Any answers? Here you should be careful what the question is asking. Question is asking average number of students enrolled in P. P average. P is given by this red area, that is 3, 5, 5, 6 and 4. Average of that will be 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 by 5. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Now you have to compare that to difference of number of students enrolled in P and Q. It is not students enrolled in P and Q, difference of it. Difference will be 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. The ratio of that we need to find. Average of that we need to find divided by 5. 5 cancels. When you sum it up, you will get 23 and here 8. So 23 is to 8. Option B will be the correct answer. Is this clear to all of you how 23 is to 8? Please respond. If that is clear, try this question. All of you try this. So this question, in a class of 10 students, 3 failed in history, 6 failed in geography and 2 failed in both. How many passed in both the subject? Passed in both the subject means we need failed in no subject. So if I draw the Venn diagram, history failed is 3, geography failed is 6. Both failed will be, both passed is 2 means failed in no subject. So failed in no subject means here it should be, because 2 failed in both. Failed in both means, sorry, I made a mistake. 2 is not here, 2 is here. Failed in both itself. So that means history total 3 people failed, but in that 2 people failed in both the subject. So history only failing will be 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Is that clear? And geography failed 6 people, 2 people failed in his geography and history. So 6 minus 2, 4 people failed in geography only. So total there are 3 group of people, failed in no subject, failed in one subject, failed in both subject. All these together should be 10. The universal set 10 students. So failed in both is 2. Failed in one will be 1 plus 4, 5. So failed in no subject, which is what we need to find. If that is x, x will be 3. So that x plus 5 plus 2 is 10 is satisfied. So option C, 3 is the correct answer. Is this clear to all of you? Please respond. Simple question. If that is clear, can you try this GATE question? Previous question was CSIR 2013 question. This is GATE 2010 problem. Make a try, all of you. Very similar to previous question. Front to study, actually I cannot do the video clarity change here. Front to study, just check in your video settings. That blue dot on the top right corner, you can click on it and you can increase the quality there, because I can check in the mobile phone here. It is showing perfectly itself. So the issue is there. Just check it and rectify it. You will be able to see it in a better video quality. Very good. Some of you already got the answers right. 25 persons are in a room. 15 of them play hockey. 17 of them play football. 10 of them play both hockey and football. So 10 is here. So hockey only playing people will be 5. Football only playing people will be 17 minus 10, 7. The number of persons playing neither hockey or football. So this is what you need to find. So there are 3 group of people. No sport playing people, 1 sport playing people, both sport playing people. No sport playing people is what we need to find. Required unknown X. 1 sport playing people will be hockey only playing people plus football only playing people, 12 people. And both sport playing people will be what? 10 people. Adding it up, you should get 25. So 25 minus 10, 15 minus 12, 3 people again will be the answer. Option D, 3 is the answer. Look how similar is these two questions, and as I told, CSIR and GATE, many a times they ask very similar questions. So you can prepare it together. So now a Venn diagram identification problem I will show. Question will be given with Venn diagram. You have to identify it and answer. November 2020 problem. Make a try, all of you. No. So any answers? Okay, some of you got it. So here the easy way to find the answer is 17 students passed in both. That means they failed in no subject. Failed in no subject. Failed in none, and if this Venn diagram is representing the number of people failed in science, math and both, definitely failed in no subject should come here na. Math circle here, science circle here, outside math and circle should be 17. Only one option is satisfying that. All other options, 17 is not present in that particular position. That is why we can say clearly they all are wrong. Did you all understood how CSIR is helping you to do this question faster by making the option simple? Is that clear? And some of you may be thinking, but what if this Venn diagram is representing past students number? That you can verify. Once you got option D may be the answer, check it. 29 failed in science, is it satisfied? Yes. 24 failed only in science, 5 failed in both the subjects. Adding it up, you are getting 29. And 38 failed in math, 5 failed in both the subjects. So 38 plus 5 is 43. That is also matching the number given in the question. And if you add this 38 plus 5 plus 24 plus 17, you will get 84 also. So everything is satisfied by that option, option D. Hope that is clear. So that was a CSIR NET problem. Another Venn diagram based question itself. 1 second. Yeah, try this question. There was a gate question also of this type. Okay, I will check it and find it. Okay, try this question anyway by the meantime. Try this, all of you. Very simple question. All of you make a try. Okay, very simple question. Women, mother, human beings. All mothers are women, na? And all women are human beings. So mothers set subset of women, women set subset of human being set. So option A is the answer. All other option that subset relation is not there. That is why we can say clearly they are wrong. Is that clear to all of you? Why option A is the correct answer? June 2019 problem this is. Okay, right now, just now, Unacademy team have informed there's a special offer for Unacademy Plus subscription from 13 to 15 December. So, for this offer, you can apply this referral code and get 10% off normally. And with 6 month subscription, there's a 1 month subscription free. And with this subscription, you can access the CSIR NET courses I have given for General Aptitude, and I have given GATE General Aptitude courses in my profile of in the CSIR category itself. You can see that also you can take attend by the single subscription of Unacademy Plus. Okay, so now I will discuss this question. Try this question, December 2013 NET exam problem. All of you try it. Okay, very simple question now. So 100 catch 100 mice in 100 minutes. There you should understand all the 100 cat will not run behind the first mice. After catching it, go behind the second mice and go so on. No, that will not be the fashion that they will be running. It is like 100 separate things happening at the same time, simultaneous process. The cat 1 will catch mice 1, cat 2 will catch mice 2, cat 3 will catch mice 3, up to cat 100 will catch mice 100. This is the idea. And for this to happen, cat 1 catching mice 1, all these 100 process happen simultaneously. So for each of the process, same 100 minute itself it will take. As it is happening simultaneously, the total thing also is happening at total thing completes at 100 minutes. That means for one cat to catch one mice, 100 minutes itself is needed. So 7 cat to catch 7 mice, same 100 minutes are needed. It is not 7 minutes, it is 100 minutes, option B. It is like boiling a potato or boiling an egg. If one potato needs 10 minutes to get boiled, 5 potatoes also don't need 5 into 10, 50. Wrong. Same 10 minutes roughly, na? Maybe a little more than, but ideally 10 minutes itself. Because simultaneously all the 5 potatoes are getting 10 minutes itself. Hope that is clear. And same thing in a little more twisted way here it is asked. But once you understood that idea, this also should be clear. Previous question came in 2013 NET. This came in 2011 GATE. Make a try, all of you. Do anyone counted how many questions we completed? Okay, Ishani. Yeah, maybe we have taken in one of the special class. Yes, Ishani. How many questions are completed now? As the concept was discussed, I will start explaining. If M students requires a total of M pages, of stationery in M days, 100 students will require 100 pages of stationery in the same M days itself. M students require M pages means one student require 1 page in M days itself. For an individual student, same 1 page itself is needed. So 100 students, as the ratio of students and pages are not changing, 100 is to 100 is same as 1 is to 1. Still they need M days itself, because for a student 1 page only is getting. M students, M pages is to confuse you. So there you have to understand one student how many pages? One page. So that is why M days itself is the answer. Same in the previous question. If the cat and mouse ratio is changing, the answer will also change. If 7 cat had to catch 14 mice, then the answer would be 200 minutes, because for one cat the duty is to catch 2 mice. So 100 plus 100, 200 minutes are needed. Same way here, if it is 100 students require 200 pages, means 2m days will be needed. So if that is clear, I'll show you the next question. Yeah, try this question, GATE 2020 problem. Okay, try. So difference between sum of first 2n numbers, 2n natural numbers, and the sum of first n odd natural numbers is. So sum of first n odd numbers, sum of first n even numbers, that concept you should understand. Sum of first n natural numbers will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n odd natural numbers will be n square. Sum of first n even natural numbers should be n into n plus 1. This concept you should be clear about. So here difference between sum of first 2n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 2n natural numbers, n will be 2n. So 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2. That will be this. Difference between, that means subtracting, and sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. Subtracting, you have to get the answer. So let us simplify this. Opening up the brackets. 4n square plus 2n minus 2n square, taking the LCM, divided by 2. That is 2n square plus 2n by 2. 2n you can take common. N plus 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. N into n plus 1, or opening up the brackets, n square plus n is the answer. N square plus n is the answer. Option B, n square plus n. Is this clear to all of you? So that is clear. Let's go to the next question. So this was a 2020 GATE exam problem. This was a 2020 CSIR NET problem of the same type. Try it. Okay, Deepa, thank you for the update. Any answers? In the previous question also, if you want, you can take answer taking examples and do the question. That is also a better way. If the formula, if you don't remember, that way also you can do. Here also you can do the same. Sum of first n even natural numbers. Sum of first n even natural numbers, if you know n into n plus 1 is the formula, you can say n and n plus 1 are factors now. So divisible by both n and n plus 1 is the answer. Very simple if you know the formula. Otherwise, you can take example, sum of first n even natural numbers. If n is equal to 2, n equal to 2, what will happen? Sum of first two even natural numbers, that is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Whether 6 is divisible by 2 and 2 plus 1, 3? Yes, it is working. If you want, you can try one or two more examples, but that will all work. So, we can say that answer will be option C. Is this clear? But when this question was asked in CSIR 2020, there was a missing word. This natural word was missing. Even number it was written. That is why the question was cancelled at the time of exam. I added the word natural to make the question correct. Because if the word natural is not there, even numbers can be negative also. Then the first even number, second even number you cannot say. Because from where we can start, we cannot say. So anyway, try this. November 2020, one more CSIR problem on the same topic. Make a try, all of you. Okay, so I'll explain. If n is an even number, then sum of first n natural numbers is divisible by. So here understand the question carefully. Sum of first n natural numbers will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. But when n is even, what will happen? So anyway, this formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. But due to this by 2, we cannot say whether n and n plus 1 which is a factor directly. You have to think about it. That is why taking an example will work. N is an even number. Let n equal to 2. Because 2 is an even number. Sum of first two natural numbers, 1 plus 2 is 3. Whether that 3 is divisible by n is 2, or n plus 1, that is 3. It is divisible by 3 but not by 2. That means it is divisible by n plus 1 but not by n. Generally. You can try one more example. Let n equal to 4. Sum of first 4 natural numbers. 4 not natural number. 4 natural number. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. 10, whether it is divisible by 4 and 5, it is divisible by 5 but not by 4. So divisible by n plus 1 but not by n. So option C again works. Is that clear to all of you? So that is clear. Let us go to the next question. A coding decoding problem we will discuss from CSIR 2029 coding decoding. Try it, all of you. Okay, some of you already got the answers. When A enters, the sentry says 5. So to the word 5, A is replying 4. When B enters, the sentry says 6 and the reply was 3. When C enters, the word was 1 and the reply was 3. So all these replies were correct. From that you have to understand what coding is done. 5 is the number of letters. 4 is the number of letters of the word 5. 6 is the number of letters of the 3 is the number of letters of the word 6. 3 is the number of letters of the word 1. Number of letters is the simple idea. Very simple, na? So what will be the answer? The word 3 have 5 letters. So the answer will be 5. So option D, 5 is the answer. Is that clear to all of you how 5 is the answer? It's a very simple coding decoding problem this is. If that is clear, let's see one more question. Try this question, all of you. So previous question was a CSIR NET coding decoding problem. This is a GATE coding decoding problem. Very simple problem. Make it try, all of you. Okay, simple question. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So O is 0, P is 1, Q is 2. So R, S, T 3, 4, 5. So S is 4 and T is 5. So ST will be 45 now. 4 5 will be ST. Very simple question. So option B is the correct answer. Very simple coding decoding problem. That is clear. Let us go for this question this CSIR problem please try, or this one you try first. GATE 2020 problem. After that we will see a similar CSIR problem also. Make a try first. How many questions we completed? Front to study, you mean the previous question of PQRS? Okay, that one is very simple. So in that PQRS question, P का value 1 है, sorry 11 है, sorry P का value 1 है, so Q का value 2 होगा, R का value 3 होगा, S का value 4 होगा, T का value 5 होगा. तो 45 मतलब 4 5 ST होगा ना. वो ऑर्डर में अल्फाबेटिक इंग्लिश अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में कौन सा नंबर, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर चेकिंग. देयर इज स्टिल कंफ्यूजन, लेट मी नो आफ्टर दिस क्वेश्चन. आई विल कम बैक टू दैट. इफ इट इज क्लियर मेंशन दैट आल्सो. Okay, that one you are asking front to study. Sure, I will come back to that. So this question we will discuss. 5 friends PQRST went camping. Okay, given this question, 5 friends PQRST went camping. At night they had to sleep in a row inside. PQT refused to sleep next to R. This sentence we can start and do elimination. That is the best way to do this question, because that is the fastest way. So PQT refused to sleep next to R. So let us check any option which is violating that condition. Option A, PQT are away from R. At least one person is in between. So that is okay. PQT, but here the problem is T and P are along together with R. They are neighbors. So that is impossible. So option B is eliminated. Here Q is with R. That is not acceptable. Here P is with R. That also is not acceptable. So option D is also eliminated. So only option remaining is option A. That itself is enough to finish the question. And next sentence is clear. P and S wanted to avoid Q. P and S is avoiding Q. Yeah, it is a little funny question also. The reasons listed are funny. So anyway, option A will be the correct answer. So this is like pairing up or seating arrangement kind of thing. A similar CSIR question, not exact similar, but try this. November 2020 problem. Make a try, all of you. So 4 people, Anvara, Bharati, Colin and Tarun. The initials of the mode of transportation and name of the person match in exactly 2 cases. That is clearly mentioned. So if Tarun travels by train, so that is one pair. Tarun, train, T and T. Colin neither rides auto rickshaw nor a bus. So Colin had initially 4 options to ride auto rickshaw, bus, train or cycle. But auto rickshaw, bus is eliminated by the condition given in the question. And as Tarun take train already, train also can be eliminated. So the only possibility remaining is Colin should ride a cycle. So the 2 cases exactly where the mode of transportation and name of the person's first letter matches, we already understood, that is Tarun train, Colin cycle. So definitely the other 2 should not match. So Anvara should ride a bus and Bharati should ride an auto rickshaw. Which option is satisfying that? Option B, Anvara rides a bus. So option B is the answer. Hope that is clear. So if that is clear, let us discuss a pie chart question asked in 2016 CSIR question paper. Make a try, all of you. And this YouTube live video, please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the CSIR and GATE questions. And the link tagged in the chat, that will give you access to the Unacademy special classes, and you can use the invite code CC10 to access the free platform also. And about 400 free classes you can see for CSIR, GATE and other competitive exam. General Aptitude section, I have given about 400 free lectures. Through the link tagged in the chat, you can access that, and the invite code or the free unlock code is CC10 to access that free platform. And also for plus subscription, the CC10 referral code will give you more discount for your plus subscription. Any answers? So the bar chart should be converted to a pie chart. So in that, these 2 bar regions or bar values are 35. That means they are of same size. So in the picture also 2 same size the shapes should be there. Here 4 same sided shapes, so 4 bars should be equal. That is clearly wrong. Here 2 same sided shapes, same sized shapes are not there, so that is also eliminated. Option A also is eliminated for that reason. Actually that is enough to finish this question. That 2 equal bars, so 2 equal sectors should be there. If that is not that obvious, you can even check this. Total value, when you add it up, you will get 140 seats are there in this Legislative Assembly election. So 140 seats are there. 35 out of 140 will be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1/4 of the pie chart should be occupied by that party with 35 seats. So 1/4 of the full circle 1/4 means a quarter circle. So 90-degree sector. So this is satisfying that. Another 35, that also is satisfying that. So option B is totally working. Now some of you may have a doubt why option A cannot be the answer, because option A 50 matching a half circle. No, first of all 50 is not half of everything. 50 is only half of 100. This is not percentage, this is number of seats. Number of seats, not percentage share. If it was percentage share, I agree that this makes sense. Half, 50% is half. But this is not percentage, that is why 50 out of 140, because total seats is 140, that is not half. That is why clearly a half region is not possible. That way you can eliminate the options well. Hope that is clear to all of you. No front to study how Bharati can ride a bus, because already 2 people are matching their first letters. Previous question, this was the idea. Tarun is using a train and Colin is using a cycle. So definitely 2 people are matching. So the other 2 people should not match their mode of transportation's first letters. So Bharati riding bus will contradict that, na? That is why Anvara should ride a bus, Bharati should ride an auto rickshaw. And front to study, the doubt you had in this question. This is very simple. 5 have how many letters? 4 letters. So the reply is 4. 6 have 3 letters. So the reply is 3. 1 have 3 letters. So the reply is 3. 3 have 5 letters. So the reply should be 5. Is that clear? So this is how these questions should be done. So another similar question in CSIR, you can try this. So I think we can conclude by this question. 20 questions are done, right? We have completed 20 questions, I guess. So today's session we can discuss complete here. So more similar free classes will continue. Tomorrow's free class and day after tomorrow's free class. If possible, tomorrow I will take a class. I have a travel tomorrow, but if possible, I will take a class tomorrow. Tomorrow's class, most probably, if it is there, is at 11 o'clock. If it is not there, day after tomorrow 11 o'clock. Anyway, 11 o'clock will be the free class. You have to download the mobile application of Unacademy if you are a new student to attend the upcoming special classes, or check out the link tagged in the chat to access the website of Unacademy or mobile application of Unacademy, and follow my page to get further updates of all my previous classes, or search my Telegram channel and attend all the previous classes, and make use of this special offer Unacademy is giving if you are planning to take Unacademy Plus subscription. Plus subscription, the speciality is one subscription for all the courses of all the subject educators and general aptitude courses. By a single subscription you can access. So that's it. I'm concluding today's session. Thank you all for attending this session. Take care, all of you. Hope today's session was useful for all of you. You got an idea about GATE and CSIR questions and how they are similar and how they can be prepared together. So there are 2 free sessions on preparation strategy for GATE and CSIR I have given. You can search the keyword General Aptitude with ChristyVarghese in Google or YouTube. You can find all the previous YouTube live I have given. More than 300 YouTube live I have given in Unacademy and my channel together. All of them you can access by searching the keyword General Aptitude with ChristyVarghese. So make use of all those resources. All the best for your preparation. I'll give you 1 or 2 homework questions also. You can pause the video later or pause the video now and take a screenshot if you want. This question you can try, and this question also you can try, and this question also, data interpretation question, and this question, this question, this question, this question. All these questions please try. These are questions came in previous GATE and CSIR question papers. So as I told, if you like the session, let me know in the comments what you felt about the session, and share the video with more and more people. Let more people join the upcoming classes also. The recording of all these live sessions will be available in the platform, so that also you can share with your friends. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.